Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a thread on Threads application. Keep watching the video till the end. To create a thread on Threads, firstly go ahead and launch open your Threads application. Tap on pen icon at the bottom of the page. Now to create a thread, enter or type in anything that you want in the given space. You can also add a picture, GIF, sound or hashtags if you want to by tapping on given icons and then click on post. This is how you can create a thread on Threads application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.